If x, y and z are positive integers and 4x is equal to 5y is equal to 6z, what is the least possible value of x plus y plus z? This problem is twisted version of problem adapted from GRE examination. I would recommend you to take a pause of 2 minutes and give this problem a try. 2 minutes should be more than enough for average student to solve such kind of problems. Friends, welcome back to Zero Math. Let's understand how to solve such kind of problems. As per the problem statement, 4x is equal to 5y is equal to 6z. Let's assume 4x, 5y and 6z equals some integer n, which is the positive integer. This number n has to be in multiple of 4, 5 and 6. Also, we have been asked to find the least possible value of an equation. Hence, we have to find out LCM of 4, 5 and 6 to figure out value of n. This is the crack. If you know the LCM concept, you would have easily figured it out. If you don't know the shortest trick to find out the LCM, you must watch our previous video to find out the LCM of any number. The link of the video has been given into description of this video. Let's figure out what is the LCM of 4, 5 and 6. As per the LCM trick, find out the largest number, that is 6, and check whether it is divisible by other number, that is 4 and 5. So it's not. So what we are going to do, we will first figure out what is LCM of 5 and 6. So 5 is a prime number. So LCM of 5 and 6 will be 30. Let's find out the LCM of 4 and 30. So let's double the 30, that is 60. See whether 60 is divisible by 4. Yes. Hence LCM of 4, 5, 6 is going to be 60. Now we got our equations. So 4x is equal to 60, 5y is equal to 60 and 6z is equal to 60. So 60 is our n. Hence x will be 15, y will be 60 by 5, that is equal to 12, and z equal to 10. Hence the value of x plus y plus z would be 15 plus 12 plus 10, which is equal to 37. And this is the least possible value of x plus y plus z. I hope friends you have enjoyed this video. Please keep in touch with us for more videos like this. Thank you.